Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to generate income using simple online tools. Follow along closely to uncover the secrets to making money effortlessly from the comfort of your own home. Open up your web browser and navigate to Google News. It's your one-stop shop for the latest news updates on a wide range of topics. Once you're on Google News, choose the category that interests you the most. Whether it's politics, technology, or entertainment, there's something for everyone. Select an article from the category you've chosen. Find one that catches your eye and has the potential to generate interest. Now it's time to put your highlighting skills to good use. Highlight the text of the chosen article, and then simply click on Copy to save it to your clipboard. Head over to Quillbot, a handy paraphrasing tool designed to help you generate fresh content effortlessly. Paste the copied article into Quillbot's interface and hit the Paraphrase button to create a unique version of the text. But wait, there's more! Take your freshly paraphrased article and visit AARP, where you can earn money for every word you contribute. AARP offers a generous $1 for each word in an article. Considering the typical article length of around 500 words, that's a potential $500 per article in your pocket. Congratulations! You've just unlocked a simple yet lucrative side hustle opportunity. Keep hustling and watch those earnings stack up. And if you're hungry for more money-making tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow our content daily. Discover how complete beginners are raking in over $1,000 per day using just their phones. Don't miss out on your chance to join the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.